You can expect a lot from the 2016 Chrysler 200. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. All of the premium features expected of a Chrysler are offered, including one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.